So when you have negative 4 and 3/8 minus negative 1 and 1/4, when you have these two minus signs next to each other, or negative signs next to each other, you can turn them both to positive. So really what this is negative 4 and 3/8 plus 1 and 1/4, but I'm going to get a common denominator here. I'm going to multiply both of these by 2, and you end up with 1 and 2/8. So if you think about this on a number line, if we are at negative 4 and 3/8 right here, we have to add 1, which is going to get us to negative 3 and 3/8. And then we also have to add 2/8. So we're adding 1 and adding 2/8, which is going to get us to, I'm going to put this right here, I'm going to draw a little arrow to say that you are now at negative 3 and 1/8 because we subtracted 2/8 from the 3/8. And that is your answer.